doing?
Hi. Everything in the entire house and the garage and the basement.
Okay, everything. That'll work. That sounds good. Appreciate it. That's broke. Nice blanket. Don't mess with the quilts. Don't mess with the quilts. Go down in the basement. Let's see what's going on down here.
No, pardon me. Sorry, sir.
That's no problem.
Hello. How are you? Hello, buddy. How are you?
Nice to see you. I'm great.
Thank you.
Have you been ill?
No.
Good.
Okay. We did have a yeah, we did. 19. Now this squad here was a drill. Okay. No one's saying that's not
A Looney Tunes hair wrap. That's so cute. Yeah, I couldn't see what that was. Did you see what that is?
Yeah.
I think
It's
an
not.
empty
It's
box,
not in
isn't
here.
it?
Yeah. It's not in there.
I was gonna say, I think it's an empty box, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I don't want it to break.
Hey, we didn't get this.
Okay, so 35.
And then I'm gonna go copy paste to that.
Okay.
Drill. Here. This is great if you have room for them.
All right. I think I'm ready. Okay. That I don't know how much they want for that.
I didn't have these priced.
I didn't see anything on there.
He
That
was a fireman.
farming, yeah, that's pretty nice. I see he had a lot of farming stuff.
Yeah.
Then these two, sweatshirt and the shirt. Michael Bowden.
2, 4.
Then that.
Okay, 10 for everything.
King Fair, that'll work.
Good.
Sounds good. Let's see.
Look, it's got a little fire truck.
Yeah, I know. You got all kinds of stuff in that bag, don't you? You got change for 20?
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Do you have? I'd rather have a change. You have?
Let's see. Yeah, I think I
Ten
did one.
ones?
1, 2. Yeah, I did 3, 4, 5. Well,
Yeah, I'd rather
I got a
have
5
that.
and 5 on.
Good deal.
That work?
Thank you.
That'll work. I appreciate it.
Well, I appreciate you coming. I'll be 86 Sunday.
Oh wow! Congratulations.
About time to retire.
I understand that.
Now, do you have a booth?
No, I don't.
No.
I sell online stuff every now and then.
Oh, you
so-
do
Yeah.
online?
Mhm.
How smart.
Yeah, I do pretty
How
good on that.
smart.
So yeah. All right, back at the crib. Didn't pick up that many things this week. I only went to one estate sale and picked up about 5 items. I guess that's all right. A 5-item day to me is a good day. That means I ain't got a bunch of bull crap, right? Anyway, first thing, I got this little carousel thing, a merry-go-round or whatever you say. I don't know. I got it. I put what it's worth on the screen or what things it's going for. I don't know. I took a picture of it. It was worth a little money. I guess it was worth something. I don't know. This is actually like a couple of days later, so I kind of forgot what this thing was worth. But yeah, I spent $10 for everything. So I guess I technically spent $2 for this. So I know it got to be worth more than $2, right? Got this precious moment thing. Now, precious moments I tend not to get because there's a lot of them. Most of them is not worth anything, but there's a lot of them that's worth, and it makes no sense. I said most of them is not worth anything, but a lot of them is worth something. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Meaning, there's a lot of them out there, and you gotta pretty much do your research on the ones that's worth something. This one's 2015, and I think I looked it up, and it was worth a little money, so I decided to get it. I put what I saw on the screen. You understand what I'm saying? Straight up. I got this boy. Now, this guy, whoever owned this house, or estate sale, or whoever lived in this house was a firefighter. So they had a bunch of firefighter stuff. There was actually some pictures of things that I saw that wasn't there when I got there. I was a little late, but this little boy was left. And I put what I think he was worth on the screen because I forgot when I looked him up. But I know it was worth more than $2. So those are the little figuring things I got. I actually got a couple shirts too, man. And this boy, he just happened to be hanging in the closet in the back there. And pretty much looked like he's never been worn. It's a single stitch, vintage Michael Bowden. Yeah, I just... You know, it might be like some of these 1993. Some of these I usually keep. I wear a lot of vintage shirts. I got a bunch of shirts over there, as you can see. And this might be one that I wear a couple times in sale. You know what I'm saying? It's my size large. I like the black ones like this. It's not what they call that. Usually some black shirts I get that's kind of just sitting there, they dry rot. I can't think it's not dry rot. It's nice. And I don't know what else to say about that. And I got this class of 55 sweatshirt, which I don't know what school this is. But for some reason, when I get stuff like this, class of old yearbooks and stuff like that, they sell. And I think they would never sell, but they do sell. I guess somebody would know what school this is. I don't know. I'll look it up to see if I can figure it out. It's probably a school here in Louisville. And I don't know. I'll let y'all know what happens with that, because old class yearbooks, things to that nature, sometimes you get lucky and people are looking for things like that, right? Might sit for a while, but they eventually sell. And that's about it. Short day, one estate sale, a couple items. Should be able to turn this $10 in to, I don't know, I'll put that on the screen because I don't know what none of this stuff is worth. With all that being said, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.